Hi friends! In today's video, I'm excited to share another easy and natural way to care for your orchids at home. This method focuses on helping your orchid bounce back after blooming. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support me and stay updated with more orchid care tips. Let's get started. First, we're going to use a spray bottle to gently mist the plant with clean water. This might seem like a simple step, but it's actually really important. Spraying the plant first helps to wake it up and refresh the leaves, especially if there's been dust or any buildup. It also gently rehydrates the surface of the leaves and roots, making them more receptive to any treatments or nutrients we'll be applying next. By doing this step at the beginning, we're preparing the plant to absorb what comes after more effectively. Think of it like giving your plant a splash of fresh energy before feeding it. It creates the perfect base for the nutrients to be absorbed evenly without shocking the plant, especially if it's been a bit dry. So, starting with a gentle mist of clean water is a small but powerful step in any care routine. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Use one aloe vera leaf. Cut the aloe vera into small pieces. Cutting it into smaller chunks helps expose more of the inner gel, which is where all the magic happens. Aloe vera is packed with natural vitamins, enzymes, amino acids, and hormones that support plant health. Put the chopped aloe vera pieces into a clean jar. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Stir the solution. Soak it for 30 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of oats. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water. The heat will help release the nutrients locked inside the oats, allowing the beneficial minerals and vitamins to dissolve into the water. Stir the solution. Soak it for 1 hour. After about 30 minutes, we'll give the aloe vera solution a good stir. This helps mix the aloe gel evenly into the water, making sure all the nutrients are well distributed. Next, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer to get the most nutrient-rich liquid. This filtered solution is what we'll use directly on the plant. It's smooth, gentle, and full of beneficial compounds. Add a few drops of vitamin B1 to the mixture. 3 tablets of vitamin B1. Stir the solution. Let's let the solution rest for 15 minutes. Let's dilute the mixture with 500 milliliters of clean water. Stir the solution. Step 1. The first thing we'll do is gently wipe the leaves using this special nutrient-rich solution. This isn't just about cleaning the leaves. It's about feeding the plant important vitamins and minerals that it can absorb directly through its leaf surfaces. The solution contains aloe vera, vitamin B1, and essential minerals that each play an important role in keeping your orchid healthy and vibrant. Aloe vera is packed with enzymes and amino acids that help strengthen the leaf cells, making them more resilient to stress, environmental changes, and damage from pests. Vitamin B1 is especially helpful because it supports the plant's recovery from stress, whether that's from blooming, repotting, or changes in environment. It stimulates the roots to grow stronger and absorb more nutrients, which is critical for the orchid's overall health. The minerals in the solution like calcium, magnesium, and iron are key for chlorophyll production. That's why your leaves stay rich green and glossy, which means they're photosynthesizing efficiently. Doing this step in the early morning is really important. At this time, the plant is most ready to absorb nutrients, and cleaning off the leaves removes dust and debris that can block sunlight. When leaves are clean and healthy, the orchid can photosynthesize more effectively throughout the day, converting sunlight into energy that powers growth and flowering. When we wipe the top side of the leaves, it's not just about aesthetics. This surface often collects pests like red spider mites and scale insects, which feed on the plant's sap and weaken it over time. By regularly cleaning these pests off, we help prevent damage and keep the leaves strong. The underside of the leaves is just as crucial. This area is a favorite hiding spot for spider mites and aphids, and it also contains most of the plant's stomata, the tiny pores that control gas exchange. Keeping this side clean allows the plant to breathe better, regulate water loss, and take in carbon dioxide more efficiently. All of these processes are vital for the plant's health and its ability to produce lush foliage and flowers. I recommend doing this leaf wiping routine about 2 to 3 times a month. This frequency strikes the perfect balance between feeding the plant and preventing pests without overwhelming it. Over time, you'll notice your orchid's leaves become more vibrant. The roots grow stronger and the flower buds develop more fully. Step 2. Now, let's talk about using a spray bottle to mist your orchid with the nutrient solution. This method is really convenient, especially for those of you who have busy schedules but still want to keep your plants thriving without spending too much time on complicated care routines. When you use a spray bottle to apply a liquid fertilizer that's packed with vitamins and minerals, it becomes super easy for your orchid to absorb these nutrients directly through its leaves and roots. Unlike solid fertilizers that take time to break down in the soil or medium, liquid solutions get to work almost immediately. This fast absorption means your plant starts getting stronger and healthier right away. Spraying the plant regularly helps stimulate growth, encouraging the orchid to develop more robust leaves and, most importantly, to produce more flower spikes. You'll notice the flowers lasting longer and blooming more frequently, which is exactly what every orchid lover wants. The beauty of this method is that it's also very gentle on the plant. Since the nutrients are diluted in water, you won't risk overfeeding or burning your orchid like sometimes happens with chemical fertilizers. For best results, aim to spray your orchid about 2 to 3 times a month. This keeps a steady supply of nutrients flowing without overwhelming the plant. It's a simple routine that fits easily into your schedule. Another big plus of spraying with this nutrient-rich solution is its natural pest-fighting properties. Pests like spider mites, aphids, and scale insects can be a real headache for orchids. These tiny invaders suck the sap from leaves and stems, weakening your plant and sometimes causing disease. But when you regularly mist your orchid with this vitamin and mineral-rich spray, it helps strengthen the plant's natural defenses. Healthy plants are less likely to fall victim to pests and diseases. Spraying also helps wash away some of these pests physically, especially if you spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. The undersides of leaves are favorite hiding spots for many bugs, so make sure to mist there too. Remember, every orchid is a little different, so observe how your plant reacts to the sprays and adjust the frequency if needed. After soaking the oats for 1 hour, we'll give the solution a good stir to make sure everything is evenly mixed. Filter the solution through rails. Stir the solution. Method 3. We'll use the oat solution to water the plants directly. This liquid fertilizer, full of vitamins and minerals, is a great way to help your orchid grow stronger and bloom more beautifully. Because the nutrients are already dissolved in water, the plant can absorb them easily through its roots, which makes growth and flowering much more efficient. The beauty of this liquid fertilizer is that it's easy for the orchid to take in. Because the nutrients are already dissolved in water, the roots don't have to work hard to break anything down. They just soak up what they need. This means your orchid gets the nourishment it needs quickly, helping it grow stronger and healthier every day. Oats are rich in important nutrients like B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and zinc, all of which play key roles in supporting plant health. For example, B vitamins help the plant manage energy and develop new tissues, while iron is crucial for chlorophyll production, making leaves nice and green. Magnesium also helps with photosynthesis, the process that lets plants turn sunlight into energy. Zinc supports enzyme function and overall growth. When you water your orchid with this oat solution, you're giving the roots a real boost. Strong roots mean better water and nutrient uptake, which leads to bigger, healthier leaves and more vibrant flowers. Over time, you'll notice the orchid producing more flower spikes and blooms that last longer. Exactly what every orchid lover hopes for. When you care for your orchid using the oat solution regularly, the roots start to transform noticeably. They become a vibrant green color, which shows they're healthy and full of chlorophyll, a sign of active growth. The texture of the roots changes too. They firm up, feeling strong and sturdy rather than soft or mushy. This firmness means the roots are well hydrated and free from rot or disease. You'll also see new root tips emerging, pushing out in various directions, which means the plant is actively growing and expanding its root system. These roots are better able to absorb water and nutrients from the medium, fueling the plant's overall development. Strong, green roots are essential for the orchid's survival. They anchor the plant and act like the plant's lifeline, bringing in everything it needs to thrive. After using this oat-based watering method, the roots don't just look good. They function better, supporting healthier growth above ground as well. The flower spike is already getting ready to produce new buds, and it's looking strong and healthy. I'm confident that in just 2 to 3 weeks, those buds will open up into big, beautiful blooms. That's all for today's lesson. If you found these tips helpful, please share them with your fellow orchid lovers and your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to support us.